In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ensure your Blueyonder email is robust and reliable. Email robustness is crucial, especially in maintaining seamless communication, whether for personal or professional use. Now let's dive into how you can assess and enhance the reliability of your Blueyonder email. Firstly, you should check the basic sending and receiving capabilities of your Blueyonder email. Reliability is key, so make sure you're not experiencing frequent delivery failures or bounce backs. Some users have reported delivery issues with Blueyonder emails, so pay close attention to any such problems with your account. Next, verify that your mailbox is still fully supported by its provider. That means the domain or address should be active and not at risk of being phased out. Given that there are concerns about the future of Blueyonder, it's prudent to confirm that your email address remains supported. Another crucial aspect is security protections. Ensure you have a strong password and enable multi-factor authentication if it's available to add another layer of security. Regularly changing your password and monitoring for unauthorized access are also key practices to secure your email account. Let's not forget about the storage limits and mailbox size. It's important to understand how your old emails are archived and make sure these limits won't obstruct your long-term email usage. Some users have pointed out tight storage limits with Blueyonder, so it's definitely worth checking. Now let's talk about strengthening your Blueyonder email. Start by enabling all possible security features. Strong passwords and enabling multi-factor authentication will greatly enhance your account's security. Regularly back up and drain important emails just in case of any unexpected service changes, and use a secondary email for recovery purposes. Make sure that all your contact information is up to date. To fortify your email further, use an email client like Thunderbird or Outlook with IMAP/SMTP configurations. This setup allows you to keep local copies of your emails. However, keep in mind that some users have mentioned that transitions or conversions might complicate this process. Another valuable tip is to consider exporting or forwarding critical emails to a more future-proof address. Doing so ensures you have a backup plan if there are any changes in the service. Stay informed by keeping an eye on any announcements or updates from the provider, Virgin Media in the UK, regarding domain status or potential migration offers. In closing, using a Blueyonder email can work just fine, but its robustness will highly depend on how diligently you manage it and how well you future-proof your communications. Given some of the reported issues, such as delivery and service support concerns, it's wise to use it as one of multiple email accounts rather than relying on it solely for critical communications.